Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you around this beautiful place. I'm here today in Chhatrapur, a beautiful town in the Ganjam district of Odisha. My roots, my memories, my story. This place holds a special charm, and today I'm here to visit one of its most iconic landmarks, the Onslow High School. In the heart of Chhatrapur stands one of Odisha's oldest schools, Onslow Institution. Onslow Institution was established in the year 1855 during the time of British rule, founded by Mr. Onslow, the then collector of Ganjam district. And his legacy still lives on through these historic walls. Through his name, the legacy of service and education continues to inspire generations. Onslow साहेब ने अपनी जिंदगी के आखिरी दिन यहीं छत्रपुर में बिताए थे। आज भी उनका समाधि यहाँ मौजूद है, एक शांत प्रतीक उनकी समर्पण और प्रेम का। उनके नाम के साथ जुड़ी है एक विरासत, सेवा, शिक्षा और प्रेरणा की। Even after more than 170 years, the school continues to inspire knowledge and discipline among thousands of students. This is Wonderful Life, exploring stories that connect our past, our people, and our soul. Let's go inside and discover. At the entrance of the school stands the inspiring statue of Swami Vivekananda. His presence reminds every student, उठो, जागो और अपने लक्ष्य को पाने तक रुको मत. A symbol of strength, wisdom and eternal inspiration. Behind me is the assembly area where the students gather every day for morning prayer. Look at the 170 plus years old buildings of British era, standing tall. Onslow Institution से जुड़ी एक मजेदार कहानी सुनाती हूँ. In the 1980s, the school had two parts, one for class 6 and 7, another for 8 to 10. Between them, there was a small wall जिसको कोई भी लंघ के जा सकता था. Students call the smaller part Pakistan, the bigger one India, and that wall Himalayas. And guess what? The headmaster's office was called the capital of India, Delhi. And such was the innocence and imagination of that time. A school divided by a wall, but united by laughter, friendship, and memories forever. Some memories never fade, only make us smile. वहाँ Onslow Institution की बात करते हैं, तो कैसे भूल सकते हैं उन महान टीचर्स को जिन्होंने हम सबका जीवन बदल दिया. पुरोहित सर, अंबिका मिश्रा सर, दास सर और ऐसे अनेक टीचर्स थे जिनके स्टूडेंट्स ने सिर्फ किताबों का ज्ञान नहीं, जिंदगी जीने का तरीका भी सीखा. Students can't forget Dora sir's history lessons and his book on Chhatrapur's history. Purohit sir's strict NCC training. अंबिका मिश्रा सर, the maths teacher, जो नंबर्स के साथ-साथ क्रिकेट के भी बड़े शौकीन थे. He was teaching maths while listening to cricket commentaries on the radio. Some funny moments happened when he mixed up equations with player scores. Dora sir, the history teacher जिन्हें इतिहास सिर्फ पढ़ाना नहीं, जीना आता था. So many bright students from this school have gone on to achieve wonderful success in India and around the world. जैसे जैसे मैं Onslow Institution के इन रास्तों पर चली, हर कोना एक कहानी सुनाता गया. उन क्लासरूम्स की, उन टीचर्स की और उन बच्चों की जिन्होंने यहाँ अपने सपने देखे. As I walk out of Onslow Institution, I can still feel the echoes of laughter, lessons and memories in the air. This isn't just a school. It's legacy of learning, love and inspiration that began in 1855. और हर उस स्टूडेंट के दिल में एक महसूस होने वाली याद. I'm Tina from Wonderful Life, signing off with gratitude and pride because some places don't just teach, they touch your soul. Thank you so much for joining me on this beautiful journey. See you soon in my next story.